loves, let's change this trouser into this beautiful top right here. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Loves, welcome back to this platform. If you are new, I welcome. If you are old, I welcome back. So this happens to this trouser and actually wore it once and this happened, but a lot of people actually complained same thing too. But anyways, for this project you'll be needing this white top right here. You can use any top of your choice, of course, depending on how wide you want your neck to be or how closed up you want it to be. I'm going for off shoulder look, but this top that I'm using, the neck is like touching neck, right? So I went about an inch down for it. So this waist part will be for the down parts of our top, if that makes sense, and it will be like a crop top basically, because obviously it's not as long as our length, like blouse length. It's just about a little bit longer than our bust length, if that makes sense. So the laps area, or rather the bottom parts, will be for our neck, arms and hands, so you don't have to cut it. And this hand is actually very beautiful. It's super long and wide, right? So just make sure everything is straight, make sure everything aligned properly, because we don't want to make any mistakes. Also, you'll be needing chalk. This is totally optional. If you have a good straight hand, you don't need the chalk, but if not, of course you'll be needing chalk. So now for the, you just want to chalk it out. Like I said, I went 1 inch down, and also this is because that parts that actually turn to like the bottom parts. I don't know how best to explain it, but it's like the back of the bottom to the middle parts of my bottom, right? So I just have to eliminate that parts, if that makes sense. Hence why I made sure to but if yours is okay, then you can just do your normal neck or the neck that you want. But if you're doing a freestyle, then you definitely just want to go a little bit. Then when you remove it, try it on, then you can now go back again to cut it out, because when you overcut, there's no going back. So you just don't want to overcut, if that makes sense. So anyways guys, this is it. Then you cut it out. It's as simple as that. Apologies for the break in transition. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, especially my TikTok and my Instagram, to see the amazing pictures I'll be uploading there. Bye. So for my thread, this is the closest to blue that I had with me, so you can go ahead to use black thread if you don't have any thread. At the same time, you can use white thread. For this trouser, they actually use white thread to sew it, but like I said, you can use black, but I'll be using this blue. And you can do your neck if you want it to be too wide or too off shoulder. You can do, if you want it to be super close, you can do that depending on the clothes that you use. I want mine to be off shoulder but not too off shoulder, if that makes sense. So anyways, for this project you'll be needing bias as well, and you can use black bias. I should have actually used black bias, but I ended up using this blue bias. So if you're doing yours, you definitely want to use the same color to your trouser, or better to use black. And I apologize guys, I actually lost a clip of when I sewed this. Even if I didn't lose the clip, it was not that beautiful when I was sewing it, because there was nowhere to put my phone and the machine was vibrating with the phone. So you just want to place it this way. Then you want the right side to face the right side of the trouser, if that makes sense, so that by the time you turn it, and this is something that if you are a tailor or you know about it, you would know. Anyways guys, this is the finished look and it's giving crop top. I made this trouser myself as well. I just cut it at the sides, nothing biggie. So head over to my Instagram so that you see picture that when I styled this, not this picture right here but another picture when I styled it. This is just for this video.